Hi, everybody. Hassan Sharik, regulated Canadian immigration consultant, back with another video on Canadian immigration and bringing you the news about the Express Entry draw, which happened today. So, 16th of September, we had an Express Entry draw, which was draw number 163rd. Um, Unlike expectations, where a lot of people were thinking that this would be a CEC, or this time around it would be a CEC or a targeted draw, but it turns out that this is an all-inclusive draw. So great news for a lot of FSWP applicants out there. And because this is the second all-inclusive draw in a row, the CRS score has dropped from 475 to 472. So the cutoff CRS stood at 472. The tie-breaking rule is for the date of March the 9th. So anybody who had a score of 472 and above, and whose express entry profile was created on or before 9th of March, would have already received an ITA or would be receiving an ITA within 24 hours. So, first of all, congratulations to all of you who received an ITA or will be receiving an ITA, and good luck with the further processing of your PR applications. Now, looking at the pool itself, it seems that the numbers have sort of become stable. The overall number of people in the pool, as well as the more important score range of 450 to about 500. Um, the average numbers are looking consistent. So the amount of ITAs that are issued and the new entrance into the pool at that score range, it seems that it's at a balance. Um, with this particular draw, a lot of people were now of the opinion that from now onwards, IRCC might be on a policy of alternate draws, where one particular draw is an all-inclusive draw, and then there is a targeted draw. Although it's not something confirmed, but I sort of, after this particular draw, I moved back to my original opinion, which I have been giving out in the COVID situation, that now with a lot of the world opening up, there will be more all-inclusive draws, and it might not be an alternate policy where one draw is targeted and one draw is all-inclusive. We will see more and more all-inclusive draws, and if that is the case ultimately, and we see similar number of invitations, the invitations that were issued in today's draw were 4,200. Same was the case in last draw. So if we see the same frequency of draws, a similar number of ITAs being issued, more all-inclusive draws, then the CRS score is expected to fall around 2 to 4 CRS points in every draw. And now I can easily say that there is a good likelihood that the cutoff CRS may drop below 470 and into the 460s mark this year. So, for a lot of you, I know, who are anxiously waiting for the CRS to drop down, who have their scores in 460s, late 60s maybe. If you have a score close to 400, like late 60s, 460s, there is a possibility, a good possibility, that this year you will be able to receive an ITA. Again, as I said, that nothing confirmed if IRCC will continue with this policy, but the likelihood is that it will be more all-inclusive draws. So good luck to those who've received an ITA today. Good luck with your application submission. You have 90 days from now to submit your application. And also, those people who are very close to 470s, stay positive, stay hopeful. Most likely this year you will be getting an ITA. That's all from my side for today. Signing off from this video, and till the next time that we meet through a video, take very good care of yourself and your families.